everyone, and welcome to this short overview of Galooli X-ray. In this video, we will explain what X-ray is, what problem it solves, and how it's used. There are two related capabilities. The X-ray itself, available for Platinum customers. It monitors, validates, and displays remote device configuration status. And there is the X-ray set. Is a paid capability that can remotely correct supported values depending on license, permissions, and device support. X-ray compares live device values with the expected values defined by the organization. In simple terms, it shows whether the configurations is correct, whether the deviations exists, and what needs attention. So let's see how it works. The process starts in My X-ray tool, where users create or edit a table that defines which device parameters to check and which values are valid. For example, if rectifier generator on voltage parameter should be 53.5 to 54.5, X-ray checks the actual value against that range and marks out of the range values as invalid. After the table is ready, it is linked to the unit in the manager under the X-ray KPIs. From then on, X-ray compares live device data with the defined configuration logic, as we're going to see in a second. Results appear in the live view and can also be reviewed in reports and dashboards for historical analysis and follow-up. For customers with X-ray set enabled, supported values can be corrected remotely based on the set value in the table. Regular set updates only of range values, while force set exact value enforce one exact value. X-ray set is paid and applies only to supported parameters and enabled customers. Let's see how we link the table to a unit. We go to My Units, we locate the unit, configuration, X-ray KPIs, and we add the relevant table that we prepared beforehand. And then we save. This connects the expected configurations from the My X-ray with the actual field device. Now let's see the daily usage. In the Panorama application, under the View Live, you can see the current X-ray status in the X-ray card or tab. You can see the last update time, the connected table, and the invalid configurations. This gives your operation team a quick view of whether a site is aligned or needs follow-up. Users can also use Scan to request a new check depending on permissions and queue behavior. Reports and dashboards show collected data over time, compared actual values with valid ranges, and help confirm whether corrections were successful or not. To summarize, My X-ray defines the accepted configuration. X-ray KPIs link into the unit. Live View highlights current issues. Reports support historical analysis, and X-ray set specifically, when licensed and supported, enables remote correction. Together, these tools reduce manual checks, improves visibility, and help customers maintain consistent configuration standards across remote sites. Thank you very much.